She's not watching. Look at it. One's like Dylan.
Trying to get Louis here.
Move your foot. Move your foot. Other direction. Other direction. This way. Yeah.
And then I divide it by 6 hours, which is the flour.